Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the issue which says unable to connect to EA servers in Madden 26. It's pretty easy. There are some solutions which you can try to fix the issue. First thing you need to do is to just go to your browser and type EA status page. Open EA's official site here, and once you do that you'll able to see if the services are online or not. If the services are offline, then you have to wait until the services get back. So right now you can see the services are online. Even if you scroll, you're gonna see the option for Madden NFL 26, and right now it is online. It means that the problem is on our end, and in order to fix this you need to restart your game console, PC and router, like turn off for 30 seconds. Then you need to make sure EA account is logged in and not restricted, or you can say not banned. Then the second thing you need to do is to fix network issues, like you have to change DNS. Primary should be 8.8.8.8 and the secondary should be 8.8.4.4. you have to do that on your console as well as your PC. Once you do that, restart the device and see if the problem solved or not. If the problem persists, then you have to reset network. For that, on console, like power off your console completely, then unplug for 1 minute and plug back. If you're playing on PC, then in that case what you need to do, just go to the search bar, type here cmd, hit right click on command prompt and click on this option run as administrator. First command we need to type is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit enter. Then the second command is netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Now you have to restart your PC, and once you do that, relaunch the game. Your problem should fix now. If your problem persists, then the last thing you can do is to fix EA app or game side problems. First of all, you need to clear EA app cache or Steam, Epic Game, whatever you're using on the PC. You have to clear the cache there. On console you have to clear the cache as well, and then you have to make sure Madden 26 is fully updated. Disable firewall or antivirus temporarily. If that works, then you need to add Madden plus EA app to allowed list. If nothing works, then you have to connect using a different network. That could be mobile hotspot or your friend's Wi-Fi, and this is most likely solve your problem. And yeah guys, these were some solutions which you can try to fix unable to connect to EA servers error in Madden 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.